Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. He was born on October 12, 1869 in India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People call him Mahatma, which means great soul. Gandhi studied law in England. Later, he went to South Africa. There, forever, he saw that people were treated unfairly because of their skin color. He fought for their rights. This made him strong and brave. Gandhi returned to India in 1915. India was under British rule at that time. Gandhi wanted India to be free. He believed in peace and non-violence. He led many peaceful protests. The time frame for that, one famous protest was the Salt March in 92 people walked to make salt from seawater. This was against British laws. Gandhi also worked to help poor people. However, the time frame for that, he wanted everyone to be back equal. He wore simple clothes and lived a simple life. He believed in truth and love. Because of Gandhi's hard work, India became free on August 15, 1947. Gandhi was killed on January 3, 1948, but his ideas of peace and non-violence are still remembered today. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation in India. How he is an inspiration to people all over the world.